In September 2007, EEOC upheld an administrative judge's default judgment in favor of complainant, a staff nurse supervisor who had alleged race discrimination when she was not selected for a nurse manager position. The AJ sanctioned the agency for failing to timely investigate the complaint. Relief included retroactive promotion, back pay, and a tailored order to allow complainant to submit her request for fees incurred solely for the successful prosecution of the appeal. This is a case study of Royal v. Department of Veterans Affairs, EEOC, Appeal Number 07200700045. Why wasn't I selected for that position? I'm just as qualified as anyone else. I deserve that nurse manager position at Veterans Affairs Medical Center in Richmond, Virginia. I'm going to go file a complaint with the agency on what I believe to be racial discrimination. I believe that they don't want to promote me or give me duties that would promote me because I'm African American. She put in her complaint on May 1st, 2006.
Your complaint has been accepted and will be investigated.
The agency accepted her complaint on May 25, 2006. 166 days later, no response. So the nurse requested a hearing before an administrative judge. October 16, 2006, the AJ issued an order giving the agency 15 days to comply or else.
Here's your order. Comply within 15 days to produce complaint file, including the report of investigation, or show good cause why you can't produce it, or else the following will occur. Sanctions against the agency, including the default judgment in favor of complainant.
What?
The agency responded stating that the order and complaints hearing requests were premature. 192 days later, November 9, 2006, days after complainant filed her complaint, the agency assigned an investigator to the discrimination complaint.
Seek some evidence, investigator, why she wasn't selected for this position.
Okay.
I'm submitting another hearing request in accordance with 29 CFR Section 1614.108G, where the complainant has received the notice required in paragraph F of this section or at any time after 180 days have elapsed from the filing of the complaint, may request a hearing by submitting a written request for a hearing directly to the EEOC office indicated in the agency's acknowledgement letter. The complaint shall send a copy of the request for a hearing to the agency EEO office within 15 days of receipt of the request for a hearing. The agency shall provide a copy of the complaint filed to EEOC, and if not previously provided, to the complainant. On December 29, 2006, the agency completed the investigation and sent copies of the report of investigation to the AJ and complainant.
Investigation complete. Moving on.
This is too late. Show cause of why we shouldn't be fully in favor of the complainant being that investigation took such a long time.
It wasn't too late. It was delayed. And besides, the complainant wasn't adversely affected by the delay. Also, she always complains. She abuses the EEO process.
The AJ issued an interim decision on February 15, 2007, sanctioning the agency for its failure to assign an investigator until after the expiration of the 180-day period to complete the report.
I'm entering a default judgment in favor of complainant, including relief in the form of retroactive promotion to the position of nurse manager, back pay and benefits, and equal opportunity to participate in detailed assignments in accordance with 29 CFR Section 1614.109. Authorizes EEOC AJ to sanction a party for the failure to respond fully and timely to requests for evidence.